In this video tutorial we will show you how to configure a Little Mailer Pro and how to send bulk emails with this software. When you launch the software, a login form will appear. You have to provide your user ID and password to log into the software. There is an optional box called Product Reference. If you have purchased two identical versions with same user ID, then you will need to fill up that. Otherwise there is no need to fill up that box. You can get user ID and password from either the main website of Little Mailer or from any authorized reseller. There are three major sections of the software. 1. The editor section. 2. The recipient list section. And finally, the email transporter settings. You can set multiple sender emails in email transporter section. The maximum number of email sender you can set is completely depends on which version of the software you are using. To add new sender you have to click Add New button. For every sender address there are two parts of the settings. You will get settings for first 5 fields from your SMTP hosting service provider. These 5 fields are compulsory. The last 4 fields are not compulsory, but you can control your sender by these 4 fields. The multiple parallel actions represents how many emails you want to send at a time with this specific sender. Please try to be sure if your SMTP hosting service provider allows parallel mail sending. Otherwise your sender may get blocked by them. Set your senders minutely, hourly and daily limits according to your SMTP hosting service provider. It may help your email from getting blocked by them. Let's set another sender to make it more clear. Let's talk about recipient list section. You can add, delete, or import your recipient list from CSV file. You can also export it into CSV file format. There is a button named Replacer Settings will allow you to give polymorphic behavior to your email. You can add new column in your recipient list by clicking Add New button. Please make sure that your column name is completely unique. Our sender will replace these column names with column value from the message title, subject, and message body. For example, the word name with start and vertical bar will be replaced with the recipient name from the message. Now we will import CSV file by clicking Import button. You can see that every recipient has a different name. Now let's prepare the message with polymorphic behavior. Press Send button to start sending emails. We have put 2 invalid emails in our recipient list. 1. Faulty domain at faultydomain.com. And another is invalid email at littlemailerpro.com. You can see that the sender can detect wrong email address if the domain name is wrong. It will also show failed error if the SMTP settings of the sender is wrong. The sender will also notify you if any of the sender has surpassed any time limit. You can also get a success list and failed list when email sending has been finished or forcibly stopped. The list will be copied to clipboard when you click one of those 2 buttons. You can paste it anywhere. Let's paste it in Notepad. Now let's apply some HTML attribute in our message body like color, bold, and italic. Now we will check 2 of the recipients' inbox. First one is Alex. And the second one is Dinde. You can see that their name and email attributes are different. In Dinde's inbox, there are 2 messages that we have sent. You can notice that the name tag has been replaced by Dinde and the email tag has also been replaced by support sector 12 at littlemailerpro.com. In Alex's inbox, we can see the similar things. This is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching.